Let's go! Another day, another Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting off today is still Riku. Let's see what we get today, guys. Oh, come on, there we go. Messier type FO2. Dorite. Tor Destiny. Sarah Zaburov. Ryue. Old Gundam. Full Armor Unicorn Gundam Destroyer Mode. Eliminate Target. Dual Gundam Assault Shroud. Over the River and Through the Woods. L Strike. Rare. Nice. Oh, Asumu. Nice. And a Camper Resource. Nice. Alright. Now to Pokemon Ascended Heroes. Starting off with Electric Energy, Wurmple, Charmander, Psyduck, Meryl, I could have sworn this is Deja Vu again, Lily's Determination, Cynthia's Spiritomb, Team Rocket's Minikyu, Reverse Hollow Okidoki, Reverse Hollow Mr. Vias, and a Hollow Tapu Koku. Well, guess it wasn't nothing there, guys. But thanks for joining me on this Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.